360 ડિગ્રી ઇમ્પેક્ટ ઓફ ઇમેજ મેનેજમેન્ટ વિષય પર સેમિનારનું આયોજન મેઘાણી મિની હોલ ખાતે કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. ઇનરવ્હીલ ક્લબ આયોજિત સેમિનારમાં ઇમેજ કોચ ટ્વિંકલ બંસલે ઇમેજ મેનેજમેન્ટની ટિપ્સ આપતું પાવર પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપ્યું હતું. વર્તમાન સમયમાં વિવિધ પડકારોનો સામનો કેવી રીતે કરી શકાય તેમજ પર્સનાલિટી ડેવલપમેન્ટ અંગે જાણકારી સેમિનારમાં અપાઈ હતી. કાર્યક્રમના પ્રારંભે ઇનરવ્હીલ ક્લબના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ શ્રીમતી એકતા શાહે પ્રાસંગિક વક્તવ્ય સાથે ઉપસ્થિતોને આવકાર્યા હતા.
इस फ्राइडे को आई एम ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ सेमिनार एट झवेरचंद मेघानी ऑडिटोरियम एंड द टॉपिक इज द 360 degree impact of image management. The biggest pandemic today is number one Spanish flu, COVID or poor self-image. The answer is poor self-image and self-doubt because majority of people suffer from poor self-confidence and self-image. This is when image management comes in picture. It helps you work on your appearance, your behavior and communications to achieve your goals in any role that you play in your life. So do attend the seminar to see how image management can help you increase your personality and your confidence level and improve and work on your self-esteem and self-image. So see you there.
Best wishes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Impressions and its importance. Recognize the elements of image management. Image management actually किन चीजों से बनता है? तत्व, जैसे 5 तत्व होते हैं. The tattvas of image management are the main concept. Explore the impact of image management on 4 A's of clothing or dressing. How you can improve your clothing to impact your life. Concept of image makers versus image breakers.
Do you think that it gives any negative message to anybody around or who's meeting you for the first time?
Message depends where you are going. Because I know you, you are a home baker and you make good cakes, right? So if you are meeting somebody, like for example, कहीं से बड़ा order आ रहा है and they want to place it, if you just go casually and shabbily, तो वो क्या सोचेंगे?
No, it is just casually and not shabbily.
Yes, okay, that's fine. So if you go very casually, he might take you casually. But if you go, not that you have to go in a suit, a power suit, because you are not in a business kind of an atmosphere. But because you are dealing with that person, unless you are appropriately and authentically dressed, you will not give out good messages for that person to take you credibly. वो इतना भरोसा नहीं करेंगे तुम पे कि इसको देख के नहीं दे, उनको देख के लगा ये ऐसे ही तो घूम रही है casually. पता नहीं अच्छा बनाती होगी कि नहीं बनाती हो. Unless he or she knows you very well. So it is important to be presentable, just like we said, well groomed. Of course, you are never shabbily dressed, but yes, your clothes will matter. So if you are nicely well presented, he will think that you are very focused on your work. You pay attention to details, then you will pay attention to details in their work as well. So of course it is important. And
It is changing so quickly, everything changes. How is it easy to, just be your own self? Because otherwise sometimes you feel that just because you know your body shape and body type and certain clothes fit you, you become in that mold. And then you feel worried about, losing out of trend or not being able to try different styles or just, sometimes you just want to wear an outfit just because it is trendy but not something that you portray.
That's not
So imagine
authentic
if
to you.
I have to wear a comfortable outfit and I have to portray an image. But suddenly I also want to wear something just out of the box because it is fast fashion. Then how can we collaborate both of them together?
yes, I'm not looking trendy, so you want to wear something trendy. So you will wear, for example, अभी आजकल just we take an example कि high waist jeans बहुत trend में, correct? If your body shape does not, if you have a bulging abdomen and the body shape does not provide कि तुम high waist पहनो, just to be with trends if you wear, do you think you will be comfortable that day? No. So how will you behave with people that day? Very underconfident, very conscious, right? So is there a point wearing that jeans just because it is in trend? No. But there are options. Image consulting helps wherein if you want to wear a certain style and stay in trend, if we work on the elements of design like the line, the shape, the color, the fabric, the pattern and the texture, we can change the same look for you, being in trend but looking appropriate and authentic to yourself. So there are styles also in high waist jeans that will suit exactly your body type. So it is finding the perfect piece and letting it fit on you. And being in trend is not what fashion is. Fashion is all about owning your personal style. Image consulting also teaches you how to find your own personal style. There are different kinds of personal styles in image management which are named as delicate, sporty, romantic, sportive and classic. So when there are certain questionnaires, अगर आप वो questionnaires को fill करते हैं and you assess yourself, हम अपनी ही study करते हैं, we come to certain conclusions. It's a scientific method of 6-7 pages and you learn what exactly is your personal style or your personal style range, कि मुझे इस type से लेके इस type के कपड़े ही अच्छे लगते हैं. So when you wear those kinds of clothes, that is your personal style which is authentic to you. So whenever you wear those styles, you will feel comfortable and you can stay with the trends but altering the trends. Not just because Priyanka Chopra or Aishwarya Rai or who's the latest one, अगर वो बहुत ही baggy sleeves पहन के जा रही है, so you should also wear baggy sleeves. Your scale, your body shape, everything matters. Baggy sleeves पहननी भी है. So if you are a medium scale person, you wear medium scale baggy sleeves. If you are a tiny person, wear tiny baggy sleeves. It should look good on you and you should be able to carry it well. That's how you mix both of these things. So not necessarily you have to be too trendy and feel out of place.